Multiply 800 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 2 times 8 is 16. The first partial product is 1600. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 1 times 8 is 8. The second partial product is 8000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the thousands column, 1 plus 8 is 9. The whole negative number product is 9600, so 800 times 12 is 9600.